Why do sandals still end up smelling even though your toes are out in the open? Basically, leather sandals soak up moisture really easily. When you're wearing sandals, the sweat from your feet gets absorbed into the leather, and that creates the perfect spot for bacteria that cause bad smells to grow. In this video, we're going to show you how to easily deodorize your sandals. All you need is some baking soda. Make sure you brush off any loose dirt on the bottom of the sandals before you begin. Place the sandals in a large zipper bag and add about half a cup of baking soda. Seal the bag and shake it up to help spread the baking soda around. Let the bag sit overnight to allow the baking soda to absorb the moisture and odors. Then, remove your sandals from the bag, shaking off any excess powder. You can use a damp cloth to wipe off any remaining residue on your sandals. Make sure you get all the remaining powder off the straps as well. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.